Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers again here with a Hey RVW video. Today we're doing Hey RVW, how can I find out what my tow vehicle can tow? This is a number one question we get asked all the time. It's very important. You do not want to buy an RV that you cannot safely tow. One more time. You do not want to buy an RV that you cannot safely tow. Do not take a salesperson's word for it. Their interest is in selling you a trailer, not necessarily in your safety. A good salesperson will be very interested in your safety. But again, I wouldn't put my family's safety in the hands of a salesperson or a dealership. So, hey RVW, how do I find out what my tow vehicle can safely tow? Simple. Go to towingcalculator.org. Again, towingcalculator.org. You can put your vehicle in there. Pay close attention to what type of motor you have, the transmission, etc., etc. It makes a difference on what you can tow. If you have a standard transmission versus an automatic transmission, size of motor matters, all that stuff. So make sure you have all that information when you go to the website, towingcalculator.org. Enter all of your information in, the make, model, the type of motor, the type of transmission, etc. And once you do that, then it will tell you exactly what you can tow. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're happy to help you out as well. 877-877-4494. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube page. We have tons of videos just like this that can help you navigate the waters as you buy a new RV and once you own your new RV. And again, if you have any questions, just give us a call. Appreciate you guys watching.